Assalamu alaikum, bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So, friends, how are you? Today we discuss about the different regions of the world. Today we discuss about the Central Asian Republicans. This is the map of Asia. Asia divided into the different part. This is Northern Asia, Russia. This is Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan. The last 10 countries are locating into the Central Asia. This is the South West Asia. This is South Asia. This is Far East. This is Southeast. Okay, so this is the map of Asia. In Asia, Russia located in North Asia, Mongolia, China, North and South Korea, Japan located in Far East Asia, Vietnam, Philippines, Malaysia, Indonesia, Hong Kong. These all countries located in the Southeast Asia. In South Asia, Pakistan, India, Nepal, Bhutan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka located. In Central Asia, Kazakhstan, Turkmenistan, Azerbaijan, Uzbekistan located. In Southeast Asia, Middle East, and other countries located. So we are going on to switch on Central Asian Republicans. This is the Central Asia. The map of Central Asia. Former Soviet Union. Learning object. Understand the significance of landlocked location of Central Asia. Remember that Central Asia is a landlocked region. Learn about historical cohesive of Central Asia along with its pivotal role in evolution of Eurasia. This region has become more familiar to US citizens since September 2001. Become familiar with physical, demographic, cultural, political, economical characteristics of Southeast Asia. Understand the following concept of models: crisis, pastoralist, theocracy, transhuman, Turkestan. Introduction. Central Asia is a large, compact, landlocked region within the Eurasian landmass. Until 1991, the region contained only two countries, Mongolia and Afghanistan. Soviet Union's breakup added several more independent countries to this region. After September 11, Central Asia became more well established on the map. Historically, Central Asia has been weakly integrated into international trade network. Steppes, desert and threatened lakes. Shrinking Aral Sea, use of rivers feeding the sea for agriculture irrigation. 60% of the sea total's volume has disappeared. Economic and cultural damage. Major environmental issue: relatively clean environment due to low population density. Desertification. The Gobi Desert has gradually spread southward. Desertification in the northern Kazakhstan. Much of the region has been deforested. Shrinking Aral Sea. 1964, 1987, 1997, October 2002. So you can see this shrinking of the Aral Sea. Effect of 40 years of irrigation on the Aral Sea. 80% of volume reduction, more than doubling of salinity, devastating of fisheries, local climate change. Source. Shrinking of Aral Sea. Environmental issue in Central Asia. Caspian Sea, Aral Sea, northern Kazakhstan. 1980-97 due to falling lake level since 1919. Problem due to the raining lake level. Extreme overpollution. Major environmental issue: shrinking and expanding lake. Caspian Sea, world's largest lake. Construction of reserve on Volga River diverted water. Aral Sea lake bulkish shrinking. Maintenance of their size is dependent on precipitation. Central Asia's physical region. The Central Asian highland formed by collision of Indian subcontinent into Asian mainland. Himalaya, Karakoram range, Pamir mountains, Pamir Note, a tangle of mountain where Pakistan, Afghanistan, China, Tajikistan converge. Tibetan Highland. Roads connecting Tibet and China. Central Asia's physical region. The Central Asia highland, Hindu Kush, Kulun Shan, Tian Shan, peak top 20k feet. Tibet Plateau, source area of many of Asia's larger rivers, the plain and basin. Central Asia desert belt, arid plain of the Caspian and Aral Sea to the west. Karakum and Kazakum desert, several deserts in the eastern portion of the belt. Taklamakan desert in the Tarim basin. Steep grassland and taiga coniferous forest in the north. Harvesting wheat on the plain of the Kazakhstan. Mongolian steep left and Gobi desert after a rain below. Physical region of the Central Asia. Climate of Central Asia. Densely settled oases and vacant lands. Most of the region is sparsely inhabited, too arid or too high in elevation to support human life. Pastoralist people who raise livestock for subsistence purpose. Highland population and subsistence pattern. Only sparse vegetation can survive in this region. Yak pastoralism. Sedentary farming in Tibet, isolated valley in the Pamir range support agriculture and intensive human settlement. Transhuman, seasonal movement of flock from winter to summer pasture meadows. Milking a yak in Mongolia. Nomad dwelling in Kyrgyzstan. Population density in Central Asia. Lowland population and subsistence pattern. Most Central Asians desert inhabitants live in narrow belt where the mountains meet the basin and plain. Ring-like settlement pattern and terrain basin. Former Swiss Central Asian population concentrated in zone where highland meet the plains. Alluvial fan-shaped deposit of sediment dropped by the stream flowing out of the mountains. A fertile area long been devoted to intensive cultivation. Loess silty soil deposited by wind did provide fertile agriculture soil. Fergana Valley of Upper Sahel Darya River shared by Uzbekistan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, Azerbaijan. Kura River basin have intensive agriculture. Population pattern in the Xinjiang's Tarim basin. Lowland population and subsistence pattern. Gobi desert have 5 sources of permanent water. Pastoralism a common way of life but may have been forced to adopt a sedentary lifestyle. Kazakhstan is major producer of spring wheat. Population issue. Some portion of the region are growing at moderate rate. Growth in the western China from migration of Han Chinese growth in former Suez zone from high level of high fertility because of Islam, low level of urbanization. Afghanistan has highest birth rate of region. Tibet and Kazakhstan have low birth rates. Population and settlement. Densely settled oases and vacant land. Urbanization in Central Asia, river valley and oases have been partially urbanized for millennia. Samarkand and Bukhara, Uzbekistan. Consequence of region by the Russia and Chinese empires started a new period of urbanization. Today urbanization increased northern Kazakhstan and some area cities remain few and far between.